Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got this 5-pack from Matchbox. It's the Skyjacker Suspensions pack, and it's the 50 years of Skyjacker, I guess. That's the pack. It's got 5 American vehicles in it, and if we look closely, the first one is the Ford panel van, second one is the 1999 Chevy Silverado, Ford Bronco 4x4. I'm assuming it's the older Bronco, not the new one. 18 Jeep Wrangler JL Unlimited, so basically 5-door Wrangler, and a 2017 Ford Super Duty F350. So it's the bigger truck. These all seem very interesting vehicles. Let's open it up and see how they are detailed. They look very interesting to me. And just want to state this is going to be a longer video because I have to go through 5 vehicles into one. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the first one, Ford panel van. And first look, I must say it looks really good. The wheels, they look like custom kind of beadlock wheels. And the ride height looks completely slammed. So if you see, there's no like big gap or huge gap you see on the van. So it's a custom van, I guess. Also on the side, you can see this custom paint. It's a panel van, so no windows in the back. Only 2 windows in the front. You can see Skyjacker, Ford. You can see the door handle here, fuel filler here, mirrors. So looks good from the side. I love the wheels, they look really good. Up front, you can see there are headlamp, grille, but none of them are detailed. You also got the windshield wipers. I don't know if it's like emergency lights on the top or it's something else. I'm not sure because it's black. The bumper is in gray. I think some of them had like chrome bumper or metal bumper. I'm not sure. Coming to the passenger side, you've got that obviously passenger door and the sliding door, which gives you access to your panel van. Again, the ride height looks good. The wheels look good. Same paint job as on the side. On the other side looks good. Coming to the rear, detailed tail lamps. That's nice. You've got this grayish bumper with step on it, number plate place for the number plate, and the split door, obviously because it's a van. Panel van you can open and load stuff. This is how it looks from the top. Oh, I forgot to mention the hood is black. And this is how it looks from the bottom. So I think it looks really good, and maybe if you detail the headlamp and the grille up front, it's gonna look even better. So now let's move to the next one, which is the 1999 Chevy Silverado. Alright, here is the 1999 Chevy Silverado 1500, and as you can see, it's a lifted truck. So huge suspension, bigger tires, and again the tires and rims look good here too. Since we are on the driver's side, so let's start from here. And on the side you can see it's a parts delivery vehicle. You can also see the Chevy and 1500 on the side. Race line wheels, Milestar tires, I guess it's written there. You got Matchbox, you got Skyjacker Suspension. So kind of sponsors, I guess. It's a quad cab, so basically it has got 2 doors that's open, and this one kind of opens in a suicide way. Once you open this, the other door opens. Looks nice in black. Windows are slightly tinted in blue, which again look good. I like they have the mirror here. In good detail by Matchbox. Coming to the front, you can see it's a lifted truck. It had like twin headlamps, so you can see the space, but none of them are detailed. Neither is the grille or badge, so you can detail it, but there's no basic detail up front. Coming to the passenger side, looks almost identical, no major differences. Coming to the back, again you can see the lifted truck, you can see the bumper with the step, and the door handle for the bed gate or tailgate. And the bed is finished in grey. Interior is also done in grey. Overall, add few details and it looks nice. So I'm seeing like the all the vehicles till now, they have nicer wheels and obviously different suspension. because it's basically a Skyjacker suspension set. So let's move to the next one, which is a Ford Bronco. So here is the Bronco. It's a 1972 Bronco, and I must say I love the paint job on this one. It looks really good. Also the wheels look good. It's a 4x4. The base of the paint is matte black. It looks good. And then you have got this crazy paint going on over it, like kind of camouflage, but not completely camouflage. Again, Skyjacker suspension and EBF Goodrich tires and Bushwhacker. I don't know what that is. Is it tires or suspension? I have no clue. Also, you can, if you look closely, there's Bronco written on the side. Got mirror and turn indicators detail. Second, good details on the vehicle. I like how they were like black wheels and this brown going on. And if you look at the tire, even they have Matchbox written on it. So good details there. Looks like it has a soft top, so you can see the brown top on, and then you've got this bars and 4 seats, again finished in kind of tan or brown finish. Now let's move to the front. Again, it's a classic Matchbox, so you got everything in chrome. Sorry, a classic Bronco. But you can, I think, detail the, if you want, you can detail the grill. But as such it is, you haven't got any detailed headlamp or grill. But you got the mirrors. Also, you can see it's finished in matte black, and you can see the windshield wiper up top there. You can see the vents and this design on the hood. Looks good. Passenger side, almost identical. You can see this wheel arches or plastic pieces. I think plastic wheel arches on the side. I guess because it's got wider wheels, so you need those. Coming to the back, tail lamps are not detailed. You can see the big Ford written there. You can see the handle for opening the door, number plate, chrome bumper with step, and a tow hook. Obviously, the actual vehicle doesn't have that big of a tow hook, but Matchbox has done one. And this is how it looks from the bottom. So again, even this one looks really nice. So I'm liking this 5 pack. Now let's move on to the next one. So here is the 4th vehicle in the set, which is a 2018 Jeep Wrangler, 5-door. And again, nice paint job. You can see this black and gold. Nice wheels, gold wheels, which kind of complements the paint. Also on the side, you can see Skyjacker suspension mentioned, Matchbox. You got the Jeep logo there. The small silver one you see, it's basically a one which is trail rated, but obviously you can't fit that small in that piece. So, but it's still there. You got the fuel filler cap. Also, you can see some details on the tail lamp back there, and obviously the wheel arches for the Jeep. You also got the side step, door handles, and you can also see the hinges, because you can take the doors off, so they're always exposed. So nice details on the side. Let's go to the front. Again, you can see there's place for all that stuff: headlamp, turn indicator, fog lamp, but none of them are detailed. You can see the windshield wipers, vents in the hood. So some good details there. I'm glad they have both the mirrors, which is nice. Coming to the passenger side, something that I missed on the driver's side, the Rubicon mentioned on the hood, because it's a Rubicon. Almost identical, the only difference being the fuel filler cap on this side. Now let's go to the back. Again, you got the spare wheel. And all of the tires have Matchbox mentioned on them. I've seen on this set, apart from the van, because the tires were smaller, I guess. You can see tail lamp, but no details on the back. From side, you could see the details, some of them. You can see the hinges. Let's move the top. Again, because it's a hard top, so Wrangler usually have this different pieces where you can take the top off. Something that I noticed, I don't know if it will be visible, but in the back of the Jeep, there is stuff like shovel and some other stuff. So if you're going camping or you get stuck, you got all that in the interior. And this is how it looks from the bottom. Again, even this one is a nice diecast. I know there is no detailed headlamp, but that's not that hard. But apart from that, even this one looks really nice. Time to go to the next one. So here's the last piece of the 5-pack. It's a 2017 Ford F350. Obviously it has some custom work done on it, so let's look at it. Again, the wheels, they look nice here, they look good on a big truck, and even this one has Matchbox written on the wheels. You can see it's obviously, it has a lift kit, so it's taller than usual. On the side you've got Skyjacker Suspension written, again because it's part of the set. You've got the Ford logo, some stars and stripes, Matchbox, some details to the tail lamp. Obviously this wheel arches, which are like aftermarket, the big plastic ones. Obviously 4-door, and you can see there's also got a bed cap, and on top it's got a spare wheel. Again, some marker lights. Now let's move to the front. Misses out on any detail on the front. I can't see anything. That's something, like, at least I would have wanted to see some details, would have made it look good, but it looks so bland from the front. But again, there are some other details like this aftermarket steel bumper with tow hooks and winch, which kind of looks like a winch. I'm not sure if it's a winch. It has got, again, Skyjacker Suspension written on the hood, windshield wipers. Got both the mirrors. Coming to the passenger side, looks almost identical as the driver's side. Same step, these flare wheel arches. Coming to the back, again, looks like a aftermarket bumper with a step. And tail lamps, I don't know why they don't have details on the back. They have on the side but not on the back. And obviously you can see this aftermarket bed cap with a carrier which has a wheel on it. This one, this is how it looks from the bottom. I think out of all the 5, this one is the least detailed. But again, even with that, like having all the other like details on it, like the step, like this bed cap and stuff, it makes it look so good. Maybe I can try. I'm not sure if, I don't know, if you're like experienced, you might be able to add details. I don't think I have that much experience to add details on something like this. But apart from that, it's a nice piece, a nice diecast. And I think this concludes it. It's a good 5-pack, and if you see it, go get it. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.